How to warm Mantu. Remove the tray from the box. Set aside the strained yogurt and dried mint for topping. In microwave, keep the plastic film on. It is microwave and oven-safe plastic film, certified by CFIA and FDA. It is designed to warm evenly while preserving moisture, texture, and flavor. If refrigerated, warm for 1 to 2 minutes. If deep frozen, warm for 2 to 4 minutes. It can be warm in the oven. Preheat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the film, place the tray in the oven, or transfer to an oven-safe dish, and heat for 5+ minutes until hot. Additionally, you can warm on stovetop, pan. Add 2 to 4 tablespoons of water to a pan. Place Mantu inside, cover and heat for 2 to 4 minutes on low-medium heat. To serve, carefully plate the Mantu, add sauce, then strained yogurt for a cool contrast to the savory filling. Sprinkle dried mint evenly for aroma and flavor, and garnish with fresh cilantro for a bright Afghan touch. Enjoy a 2-minute luxury Afghan dish by Harroz, rich in texture, aroma, and tradition. A favorite lunch, dinner, and appetizer for grab and go at the office, special occasion, or anywhere.